Doing my unboxing for the Cremated palette, and to save time I've pre-opened it, and this is how it looks like. I noticed some people got black tissues, but I got that probably because I'm special. No, I think it's because I ordered two, so that's going to be hoarded. And this I pre-opened beforehand because I didn't want to, I got a bit of a rip, but I didn't want to rip it, and I didn't want you to wait for me to open it. But I haven't actually opened this, so this is how it looks like, and that is so cool. That's like it's got some kind of thing through it that's cut. What do you call it? You'll see when I open it anyway. There we go. So yeah, it's like that. Cool. And this is the palette. Beautiful. Love that. That's a gorgeous palette. There's the back. Now let's open this beauty. Ta-da! Oh, isn't she beautiful? Wow. Let's take that off. These are the colors. I love that marble look. Really love that marble look. Oh my gosh. Look at those colors. Look at the prints on them. Oh my gosh. So happy. So happy. Hearse. Angel of Death. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. It's really hard to see. Grave digger. Death certificate. R.I.P. Pallbearer. These stamps didn't turn out. They're harder to turn out on the glittery ones, aren't they? Maybe it would have been better to leave the glittery ones as stars. Inheritance Wednesday, as in Wednesday Addams. Mortuary beautician, because that is what he would have done as a career if MySpace didn't take off for him. Last look. Solemnly swear. The morgue. Mausoleum. Embalmed. Eulogy. Life insurance. Last rites. Respects. Goodbye. Obituary. Burial gown. Afterlife. Oh my gosh, I love peach, so love that. Casket ready. Death blow. Diamond ashes. Oh wow. That is something Jeffree would do, is have his ashes combined with real crushed diamonds. I personally would love, if I could afford, to go in a mausoleum, that I'm not buried in dirt. Wow. Gorgeous. And there's the mirror. It's a beautiful. Beautiful. Might do some swatches, but I'm real funny about it. Even though I got one, I don't want to wreck the imprint. Okay. I'm just tapping it. I don't have anything really on me because I'm a tight ass. Must be my Greek heritage. not bad for a little tap. I'm getting all that from it. Hold on. Wow. Let's see which other one. You know what? These are really pigmented because I am just ever so gently tapping on it. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. So I will definitely do a look. Definitely do a look, and I won't be scared to dip my brush in there. Actually, I will be. I always go around with a print's not on there. Okay, so that is it. And I'll be giving this away. No way. I'm going to make $300 on that. I'm not giving that away because I'm broke. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.